Hello there, welcome to Taurai Shona. Let's speak Shona, and we are doing Shona nouns that are related to the family, the immediate family members. Ukama wemumba. Our first noun is baba, which is father in English. Father in English, baba. The next one is mother, which is amai. Amai. Followed by daughter, which is mwanasikana. Mwanasikana. Mwana means child, sikana is the female gender. Mwanasikana. And then son becomes mwanakomana. The gender is here on the komana. Boy. We have a grandfather. A grandfather is called sekuru. Sekuru. And grandmother is ambuya. Ambuya. And then grandchild, your grandparents call you muzukuru. Muzukuru. This muzukuru has nothing to do with gender. As long as you are a grandchild, you are called muzukuru. No komana, no skana. And we saw earlier on mwana skana, mwana komana for boy and girl. The same word mwana means a lot of things. It has many words in English that are just translated as mwana. There I put baby. Mwana can also mean toddler, infant, juvenile, minor, descendant, offspring. You can name it. It's all like typical of Bantu languages. One word has many meanings in English. Now, girl is musikana. Musikana. Boy is mukomana. Mukomana. Firstborn, regardless of gender, is called dangwe. Firstborn in the family is dangwe. Lastborn is gotwe. Gotwe. If you are somewhere in between, there's no specific name. You are just in Shona, so you are just a child. Okay. Now, siblings. How do siblings call each other? If you are of the same gender, the older brother or sister is called mukoma. Mukoma. The younger one is called moningina. So you can address each other. The young one will address the older brother as mukoma, and likewise the mukoma, the older brother, will address the younger one as moningina. But you have to be same gender. But if you are siblings of different gender, it's called andradzi. Andradzi, regardless of age. There's no age involved on that one. Okay, now here is our summary. We said father is baba, mother is amai, daughter is mwana sikana. Right, you can see girl there is musikana, there is sikana there, and child is mwana, and there is mwana. Son is mwana komana. Grandfather is called sekuru. Grandmother is ambuya. Grandchild muzukuru. Child is mwana. Girl is musikana. Boy is mukomana. Firstborn is called dangwe. Lastborn is called gotwe. And then siblings call each other mukoma, muningina, or andradzi. Thank you for watching. Keep on learning Shona, keep on speaking Shona. See you in the next video.